Most people wash mushrooms the wrong way, and they either end up soggy, slimy, or full of grit that ruins the bite. The truth is, mushrooms can be washed, but only if you do it the right way. Today we're breaking down exactly how to wash mushrooms so they stay clean, firm, and full of flavor. If you've ever been confused about rinsing, soaking, brushing, or wiping, this will make it simple. 1. First, let's clear up the biggest myth. People love to say, never wash mushrooms. They absorb water. But here's the real story. Mushrooms do absorb some water, but only if you soak them or let them sit. A quick rinse? Totally fine. They won't turn soggy. They won't become waterlogged. They will cook beautifully. So don't be scared of water. Just learn how to use it smartly. 2. For whole, fresh mushrooms, rinse, don't soak. Hold your mushrooms under cool running water for just a couple seconds. Use your fingers to brush off any dirt. Move quickly. You're rinsing, not giving them a bath. Once they're clean, place them on a towel and gently pat them dry. If you give them a minute to air dry, even better. This keeps the texture firm, not mushy. 3. For delicate mushrooms, use a damp cloth or a slightly wet paper towel. Some mushrooms are softer and more fragile, like oyster mushrooms or lion's mane. Running water can break them apart, so instead, grab a damp cloth or a slightly wet paper towel. Wipe away the dirt gently, like you're dusting something precious. You're not scrubbing, you're lifting the dirt off without damaging the mushroom. 4. For mushrooms with crevices, rinse, shake, and dry. Shiitake, portobello, maitake, and more textured mushrooms hold dirt in their layers. A quick wipe won't reach it. Rinse them fast under running water, give them a little shake to remove excess moisture, and dry them well. If you're washing portobellos, you can also remove the gills with a spoon. Not required, but it reduces moisture and gives them a cleaner flavor. What you should never do. Never soak mushrooms in a bowl of water. That's when they turn rubbery. That's when they lose flavor, and that's when cooking them becomes a struggle. A quick rinse or a gentle wipe is all you ever need. Wash them right before cooking. Don't wash mushrooms and then store them. They spoil faster when wet. Clean them right before they hit the pan. That way they stay fresh, firm, and flavorful. Wash quickly, dry well, don't soak, and clean them right before cooking. It's simple, and your mushrooms will taste better because of it. How do you usually clean your mushrooms? Tell us in the comments. And if you want a guide on chopping, storing, or cooking different mushrooms, we'll make that next. And remember to subscribe for more real, grounded mushroom education here on Groove Guide TV.